for alpaca, so fluffy and sweet. B is for bunny hopping too. C is for chicken in a row. Clucking and scratching, watch them go. Let's sing our ABCs, oh what a treat. With animals on the farm, it can't be beat. Learning so much fun, let's shout hooray. Farmyard ABCs, brighten up our day. D is for ducks swimming around, splashing in the pond, oh what a sound. E is for ewes, soft and white, Baa-ing in the field, such a lovely sight. Let's sing our ABCs, oh what a treat. With animals on the farm, it can't be beat. Learning so much fun, let's shout hooray. Farmyard ABCs, brighten up our day. F is for frog, who jumps so high. G is for goat that loves to climb the sky. H is for horse, galloping free, running through the pastures, so wild and glee. Let's sing our ABCs, oh what a treat. With animals on the farm, it can't be beat. Learning so much fun, let's shout hooray. Farmyard ABCs, brighten up our day. I, J, K, oh so many more. L is for lamb playing on the floor. M is for mouse, scurrying past. N is for nightingale, singing so fast. Join in the fun, let's learn and play with our Farmyard ABCs, hip hip hooray. Now you know your ABCs, sing it loud and clear. Farmyard friends are waiting, let's give them a cheer.